So I'll be telling you how to multiply two-digit number here basically. So suppose you need to multiply 15 with 13. So what you need to do is you need to multiply 5 by 3. So it will be 15. So 1 would be carry here. So you need to write 1 here. Then you need to multiply 3 by 1. It would become 3. So you need to add 1 here. So it will become 4. Put and cross mark here. Now you need to multiply 5 by 1. It will become 5. You need to multiply 1 by 1. It will become 1. Right? So here would be 5, 5 plus 4 would be 9, and you would be putting 1 here. So your answer would be 195. Similarly, we take another case of multiplying 45 by 32. So what you need to do, you put a cross sign here. You need to multiply 5 by 2, it will become 10. You need to put 1 here, 0 here. You need to multiply 4 by 2, it will become 8. 8 plus 1 would be 9. You need to multiply 5 by 3, it will become 15. Now you have to multiply 4 by 3, it will become 12. 12 plus 1 would be 13. So you need to write 13 here. Now you need to put 0 here. 9 plus 5 would be 14. 3 plus 1 would be 4. And you need to put 1 here. So your answer will be 1440. Similarly, we take another example of if we need to multiply 88 with 22, right? So what you need to do is you need to multiply 8 by 2, so it would become 16. You need to write 16 here, 1 here. Then you need to multiply 8 by 2, so it will become 16. 16 plus 1 would be 17. You need to put a cross sign here. 8 into 2 is 16, so you need to put 6 here, 1 here. 8 into 2 is 16. 16 plus 1 would be 17. You put a line here, so it would become 6. 7 plus 6 would be 3. And 1 would be here. So 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, and 1 would be here. So your answer will become 1936. Similarly, you need to write 43 here, and if you multiply 43 by 55, so what your answer would be? You need to put a cross sign here. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1 would be 21. You need to put a multiplication sign here. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1 would be 21. Now you need to put 5 here. 5 plus 1 would be 6. 2 plus 1 would be 3. And 2 would come here. So your answer will become 2365. Similarly, we take another example of multiplying 75 with 25. So what you need to do is you need to put a line here, you put a cross sign here, or multiplication sign. So you need to multiply 5 by 5, so answer would be 25. So you need to put 2 here, 5 here. Now you need to multiply 7 by 5, so 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 2 would be 37, and you need to put a cross sign here. 5 into 2s are 10, you need to put 0 here and 1 here. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 1 would be 15, so you need to put 15 here. You need to draw a line here. 5 plus you would be writing 5 here because it's a cross sign. 7 plus 0 would be 7. 5 plus 3 would be 8, and you need to write 1 down here. So your answer would become 1875. Similarly, we take another example of multiplying 44 with 32. So what you need to do is you need to draw a line here, put a multiplication sign here. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8 as well. You need to put a multiplication sign here. 4 3s are 12. You need to write 2 here, 1 here. 4 3s are 12 again. 12 plus 1 would be 13. You need to put 8 here. 8 2s are 10. 3 plus 1 would be 4, and 1 would be here. So your answer becomes 1408. Similarly, we go for another example of multiplying 19 with 13. So what you need to do, you need to put a line here, you need to put a cross sign here. 9 3s are 27, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2 5, 9 1s are 9, so you need to put a cross sign here. 9 1s are 9, so you need to write 9 here. 1s are 1, you need to write 1 here. So 7, 9 plus 5 would be 14, you need to write 1 here, 4 here, and you need to add 1 plus 1, that is 2. So 247 is your answer. So this is the multiplication of 2-digit number with 2-digit number. Thank you for watching my video.